My name is Zach Ellis and welcome to my journey. I don't know where I'm going or how I'm going to get there, but I'm going to be tearing shit up every step of the way. Along with a few friends, of course. Honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be building, modifying, repairing, fabricating, and racing every chance I get. But if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and of course, enjoy the video. He ain't too sure about the garage. Not too sure. This is my first time bringing my dog here. Where are you going? This is my dog Clark. He loves the garage now. Right, buddy? Do you love the garage? Today I'm going to be working on the valve cover. I'm going to try and finish it up today. It should be a pretty quick video, but what I have left to do to the valve cover is when I powder coated it, I just powder coated everything. The only thing I have left to do now is sand off the powder coat on the raised letters. So I'm going to go ahead, get all my sandpaper set up. I'll get you some before and after shots of it, and I'll let you see the process of how I'm going to get the powder off the top of the raised letters. Hopefully it comes out all right. I've never done this before. I'm fingers crossed that it doesn't look too bad. But either way, we're going to jump right into it and hopefully it looks good in the end. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, I bought 150. I bought 800 and 2000. So I'm going to I'll probably start with 800. If I can't make any progress with the 800, I'll jump up to the 150 to really break through the actual powder coat. Then we'll transition back to the 800 and we'll finish off strong with 2000. The 2000 is to try and bring a little bit of the polished look back. If I can't get it, if I can't get it to look polished, then I'll jump up to a more fine grit. But for now, this is what I have. This is what I'm going to use. And hopefully it comes out halfway decent. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the tripod so you can see what I'm actually doing, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got it polished up I'm gonna go ahead, remove the tape. I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol, and we'll check out the final product. Alright, so I got the valve cover all finished up as you just saw. I gotta say, I think it came out amazing. I was completely going out on a limb here to see if this worked out for me or not, and it did. I taped off all around it just so I didn't nick anything, because once you hit the powder coat with the sandpaper, potentially it would be ruined. Other than that, which I mitigated by putting tape, the only other concern that I had was the lip from the surface of the letter where it's powder coated on the side of it. I was scared that it was going to make a weird transition from the brushed aluminum or polished aluminum to the red powder coat, but it came out really good. I don't think it's perfect by any means, but it's good enough for me. It's better than the solid red powder coat look, and that's all I care about. But now that I got the valve cover done, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this all up, and I'm going to take my dog out to the dog park. He's been sitting out here in the sun the whole time, like a good dog. What are you doing, Clark? What are you doing? You being good? Are you sleepy? Yeah, a little bit. So, since he's been a trooper out here with me for a few hours, I got a little bit of cleaning done around here, and obviously the valve cover. I'm gonna treat him with the dog park. Maybe I'll buy him a new duck toy since he loves that thing so much, and we'll go from there.